In 1965, a small group of civic-minded people came together with their wisdom and foresight to make it possible for a wide range of donors to participate in creating and growing permanent funds to meet the needs of the residents in our communities. From this small group, the Allegan County Community Foundation was born. Our first endowed fund was created in 1969 by Ethel Stone upon his death with a $1.2 million bequest. With this initial endowment and the support of community members over the past 60 years, ACCF has been able to grow and support even more people within Allegan County.
When I joined the board in 1996, the Allegan County Community Foundation was not extremely well known. We used to kind of joke about it that it was the best kept secret in Allegan County because we did so much good, but not a lot of people knew about it. I look at ACCF now and everyone is very dedicated to move out further into the community and touch so many more people, making Allegan County a better place to live.
The Allegan County Community Foundation has been a very strong supporter of Beautify Pullman. They were one of the first organizations to give us a grant to help build this beautiful park. Prior to that time, this was a vacant lot, and there was no large space like this. No park, no place for the community to gather outside. We now host farmers markets, summer concert series, really however the community likes to use this park. That's how we use it. Beautification is more than planting flowers and making a place pretty. Beautification is really an effort to lift up an entire community. Beautification makes people more proud of where they live. We were able to bring that to the community with the help of the Allegan County Community Foundation.
We established the Grant Bird Memorial Fund in 2016 in memory of our son that had passed away. He had a rare mitochondrial disease. Before he'd passed away, we had a dream that he would participate in community recreation sports. It would have defied all odds, but that's what kept you going on the days in the hospital and through testing. Someday he'd be out there with his twin brother Griffin. When he unfortunately passed away, we couldn't get that dream, I guess you could say, out of our heads. And when we learned that in our town there wasn't a program that if somebody couldn't participate because they couldn't afford to play, that they just wouldn't play. It's a fee. So we reached out to the Community Foundation to set up a scholarship fund just to make sure that finances was never a barrier for anyone. Both my husband and I were full-time employed corporate workers and said, like, we're not going to start a nonprofit, but we need somebody that can carry this through with the vision we have. It'll be stable, it'll be successful. And so for us, that was a big reason that we went right to the ACCF. They have the resources, they have the staff that's competent and knowledgeable, and they have been alongside us every step of the way. 5 years later, we were super excited that we'd gotten the fund balance up to the point that we could expand to another school district, so it was Saugatuck and Fenville. It's just been a big part of our lives, and we've just watched kids just evolve into their kind of who they're meant to be by playing in the fields and participating in things that maybe they never would have done before. The Community Foundation has given us a way to ensure Grant's legacy is out there. It's exciting to see his name on the Allegan County Community Foundation's sheet to sign up for Saugatuck Recreation or Fenville Recreation. They have done more than we could ever hope to keep that legacy and to keep Grant's name out there. And that's important to us, and it's important to all the kids that get to play.
Safe Harbor's mission is to provide a lifeline to victims of child abuse and neglect. Yearly, Safe Harbor sees over 200 children that come into our building for child sexual abuse or child physical abuse cases. In about 2007, Safe Harbor was really struggling overall. And if it had not been for the Allegan County Community Foundation, I'm not so sure that Safe Harbor would still exist today. They helped to provide the financial means for us to keep our doors open when we were in a very hard time. I believe the foundation saw that without them, children would not receive the help that they need. And since then, they have continued to support our necessary programs. This building exists mainly because the foundation helped to provide a foundation grant for the overall building, but then again, the Teens Aiding Growth program provided the funds for our art program, our art therapy room, to be built and to be furnished. This building means that kids really are valued in our community. This building allows us to provide all of our services at one time. And when kids walk in here, they see they have a value because it's not just an afterthought. It was very intentional. And so kids feel and are able to begin their healing process. The Allegan Community Foundation makes Allegan a better community by valuing the kids, knowing that their safety is important and they want to invest in those kids' safety along with the healing after abuse.
The foundation takes a lead role on helping us solve some of the issues affecting our community. With their work in the community, just adds value to our city and makes it more attractive to people that want to come and visit here. So the thing that I'm most excited about the future for the foundation is their continued growth as an organization to be involved in the day-to-day activities of this community and also set us up to become a destination for a place where people want to call home.
The number one thing we want the public to know about ACCF is that we serve everyone. We have funds for churches, libraries, animal welfare, youth, the LGBTQ+ community, scholarships, and some of your favorite local nonprofits. We help donors support what they feel passionate about. As the community's largest cheerleader, we highlight and support the work of others, creating an environment where local efforts can grow and make a lasting difference. In addition to our traditional grants and scholarships, we're leading the way in bringing collaboration among different groups around the county to address some of the most pressing needs facing our residents. We have been so fortunate to have the opportunity to serve this wonderful county for the last 60 years, and we look forward to the next 60 years of collaboration with our community and donors as we continue to positively impact Allegan County.